Maybe I'm playing it says right there, get a snack at 4 a.m. Me excited. Yeah. Well, let's play. Welcome, Maggot 123 Doo-doo. Me, you're self-conscious. Okay. I'm interrupting your sleep to say that you're starving. You appear to be waking up due to your starvation. You honestly can't sleep in this condition, so I'd advise getting a late night snack. Just try to be sneaky about it, okay? Why do I want to be sneaky about it? Do I live with my mom or something? Anyway, you're waking up, I'll see you soon. Okay. Trying not to put my fillet on the mic. So, and yeah. Objective, get a snack. Yep. Why does Flamingo have a gun? Winning smile. Okay. So, objective, get a snack at 4 a.m. Click item, you can only pick up one item, get different endings, again by Stixel. Well, I can turn it on. Nice. Oh, it's one of these games. What's an annoying orange there? How do I do this? Did the game just break? Excuse me. I will be right back. Okay, pretty sure I got it to work. Wait, this time it's in North Warrington. Click where you want to go. Okay. Get a snack at 4 a.m. It's a great objective. Now I can walk around. Okay, why are the pictures here so close? How to eat chips in secret. Don't read this. The Legend of the Giant Noob outside of the map. Guide to Gaming. Book. Thanks for playing. This is a book. The Gas 4 prototype LOL. Can I take the Bobucks? Oh, I can take the Bobucks. Nice. Ooh. $5 bills. No, I do not want to go. Ticks. Ticks are only worth $1. That's fine. Carpet. Very hard to tell that's carpet. Pick up, please do.
Hey, yo, it's April, back again with another game of video. Looks like we are going to play a game called Get a Snack at 4 a.m. Oh, good thing it's not at 3 a.m. That's when all the creepy stuff happens, right?
Oh my lord.
Okay.
I got an ending.
Well, thank you. I appreciate
An ending.
It's me, your self-conscious.
Oh my lord.
Conscious.
It's so annoying. I'm never doing that ever again. We'll eat sword. Oh, okay. So now I know that I'm absolutely never, ever in my whole entire life getting that stupid orange again. Well, okay. Pick all this up. Chips for noobs. Make it that. First, I'm going to explore. Drink spot. How to make a good breakfast. Get 1 egg. Okay. I'm just gonna get the chips for noobs and eat them.
Yummy.
Tasty chips. Oh, it's Flamingo with the gun again. Objective. Go back to bed. Okay. Father figure. I wasn't eating chips, doofus, idiots. Ending. What ending did I get? Oh my god. The dad got mad ending. So I don't... what if I try to be silent this time? Okay, frick the monies. Actually, I might need that later. I'll get you guys whenever I get back to the... Okay, so this time, what if I don't actually even eat the chips? Oh, look, I didn't even notice there's ticks right here. So this time, I'm just going to go and take... Oh, there's a plushie. Okay, so obviously I can't. I'm just going to have to be quiet. Frick me. So, oh, this is my dad's room. This time I'm going to eat the chips and go out of that door.
Yummy!
I'm eating my chips. Please, let me eat it. Back to bed. No. Oh, I'm a noob. Oh, this is. What if I chuck the box? Okay. I think I'm just go back to bed. Try to be very, very quiet. And just barely even walk. Oh, frick you. Okay, I'll get you guys. 1 second. This time I got all the cash by the way. This time I want to open up Dad's door. Why is he sleeping? No, I don't want to wake him up. Just gonna get some kicks. I could get some Colgate or even maybe Robux. Ooh, a gun. But this gun is gonna take forever to pick up. Oh my lord. So, do you guys want to start a conversation? Like, this is gonna take forever? What am I gonna do? Shoot the dad? I think I'm gonna do that, and then I can finally eat my tasty chips. And seriously though, why is he sleeping in the bathtub? So, Lord. I don't want to move my finger at all, because it will probably move the thing. Only a quarter of the way left. About. Okay, please. 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Frick you! Oh, what if I turn? Frick yeah, I'm gonna wake him up. No? Frick you, bro! Really? I'll just finish this part again. Okay. Frick you, frick this place. I'm taking the chips and getting out. Yes. Actually, I'm going to try to be smart about this. I'm not going to eat the chips. Going to my bedroom. Going to eat the chips in here. Eating the chips in here. Get the 4 damage. Oh, no way, bro. Yes! I actually got it. Finally! Okay. I'm leaving the house. I'm getting out of here. This time I'm out of here. Screw this. Why is it so? this. With some Robux or books. Oh, frig, no. Why do I hear... Oh, I thought that was a person. I am so stupid. I thought that was a person walking. This is my car cashier. Nice. Hi, welcome to General Convenience Store. We are open 24 hours. Nice. Place an item here and talk to me to purchase it. Nice, okay. No longer sell toothpaste and orange juice together due to the people not consuming on buying consumables. Don't do this unless it is in a video game. Definitely not a hint. I'm gonna buy both of those. So I'm going to put that AJ. Nice. An orb. You feel time is shifting. Oh my! Rip off. My OJ and my toothpaste together. Hi, Flamingo, once again. Do it again. Okay. Did I just explode? How am I still... Yes, I am here. You blind? Oh, what is happening? Welcome back at 123 Doo-Doo. That was quite a remarkable death. It was very unfortunate. Yes, I exploded. Have you heard of the legend? Drinking OJ, then putting toothpaste in your mouth is supposedly very painful to your taste buds. It is. Very, very, very. You shouldn't have tried that. Well, I did. Anyway, the sheer amount of pain transported you beyond dimensions, beyond death. That led you here. So, okay, I've heard enough. You could say you're in a type of limbo. I like to call it in the void. So what you're telling me? I don't see why I would not think I'm in the void. Who exactly am I, you ask? No, it said that you're a dummy. It literally said, my name is Dummy. I told you. Duh. Can't you see it on top of my head? No. Besides that, what did you want to know? My purpose as well? Well, you see, there are a few things you can do in this game, if you could tell. Yeah, definitely. If you ever get stuck or confused, you can come back here and I'll tell you about these endings. Kinda ironic since it may have been confusing to get here in the first place. Ha ha! Ha! What is that? Oh, light bulb. Anyway, I also kind of need you to get all those endings. And why would I want to get all those endings? Don't ask why. You need to. I just told you. Whatever, bro. I know that sounds like a hassle, but it shouldn't take that long. Well, it's already been 15 minutes. I will give you your OJ and toothpaste ending now. No, no, I don't want to die. Come back here when you get over. And then ultra death. OJ and toothpaste is bad. Do you think so? I do as well. This time I want to try to get the gun. Actually, what does this say? After seeing this, I've successfully managed to generate my thoughts and objects you can see since I can't actually speak directly. Each timeline has one of these notes in it. Can you find them? 1 out of 5. So I'm going to try to get every single doll here I know. I'm still going to get the chippies for newbies. And then I'm going to eat my chips. Objective, go to bed. I don't want to go to bed. So I'm going to get the money here. Almost have $60 here, but I need 100. So I'm just gonna get this again because orb. Oh, I actually have it in my inventory. Is this just permanently stuck in my inventory? Or disappears in your hand? I don't think that's meant to happen in real life. No, why would I want to? Feed me sodas. No, I'm okay. Let me get the robot. Oh, frick it, I've got enough. Okay, so what if I just wander around the woods? Can't even do that. I thought it would let me. Did I get all the endings? Because I honestly doubt I did. Now let's try to feed it sodas. Oh, I hate. Ooh, soda's actually in here. I'm going to feed it. I'll give it to you. Shoplifting. Should buy that. Be back when we get all the money again. Yeah. Okay. Finally done it all again. We're going to take the witch's through. Place the item. No, I don't want to buy it, but I have $15. Very nice. There's a fun. Sorted witch brew. So I have to give it 8 sorted poppies. Take forever. This time I'm going to beat it. Last week's figure. It says only 99 cents. I hate you. but I'm only at 32 and I was earlier. Maybe it's not actually right. Oh, it says it's $5. I thought it said it was 15. Actually, I'm not sure if there is even going to be enough soda. Oh, there's someone in the trash can. I know that for a matter of fact. But pretty sure there's 2 more there. So, yeah, dang it. I'm gonna feed all of it to him. I know I'm not actually feeding it. So I need 2 more. But there's only 1 more though. And I saw a piece of paper out there. Oh, so only the witch brew is 15. Maybe, oh maybe this will equal 2 because it's an insane amount of freaking money. Nope. So perhaps I can get... I don't know. Nope. Actually, I might want... What is that? And this from my variable. This will look strange. I'm the one who has to keep it safe. I will break it soon. So I need 1 more soda poppy. Oh, there's a timer until he breaks. Orange juice does not count as a soda. Maybe an egg will. Singular egg. $25? Heck to the nose. What do I do with the egg? Am I literally forced to purchase it now? So, no. I don't even have enough money to purchase it. And they can't, oh. No. Okay, well, he's not going to kill me. That's a good thing. Actually, I might actually have a soda at the house. I'm gonna have to check that. I really, really hope I have a soda here. I have to open up the fridge. Yes! Why is there... What? Why is there a... I'm gonna act like I did not just see a head stuck into the fridge at all, and I'm just going to continue on with my day. Can you, Mr. Vending Machine? Let's see. Vending machine seems happy. Oh Lord. What is happening? Is that all it is? forgot about the game. Oh, he's on break right now. So I'm on break, and I'm going to be on break for an indefinite amount of time. If you wanted to buy something, should have came earlier. Jerk. Is that really all you're gonna freaking do, stupid vending machine? It took like 10 minutes. I freaking hate you, stupid vending machine. Try to go into the employee only door. Seriously. What is happening? Give me the Mario star, I want it. Backup silly 10. Well, this is green. Evil? Out of order. Here are the other vending machines. I'm saying them. So I'm gonna try to get up there with the ladder later, but first. There's that. Push. Oh my god. Seriously, what is it? Negative 100 Celsius? Huh? I was never in here. Oh, Frank. Oh, freaking. Really? Oh, these are all the things. So chips, sleep, ultra death, shoplift, freezer, orange. Still a couple missing. Now I'm literally going to try to get every single bit of money so I can get that freaking gun. Okay, so there's money over here. Some in the fridge. Then I'm pretty sure there's some here. By the way, I really hate this freaking music. So this is another 10, so I'll end up with 59. Oh, the real cheese. Thank you. Okay. So now I'm left with 71. Pretty sure there's someone left in here. Yep. There's 74. 79. No. 84. He is losing his ever-loving mind. Maybe because I gave it its sodas back. I don't know. Manhole? Don't worry, I need to sit. I don't need to run anything. I don't like being here, actually. Haha. But I do get hungry and thirsty sometimes. Hey, while you're up there, could you maybe send me stuff? More preferably sodas. 10 of them? So what is yeah, right. Sodas, could you like pour them down here? 10 of them? Thanks. 10 sodas! Is there even that many in the game? I know from a matter of fact that there's at least 8. Cause, yeah, one there and the rest. But there's no more than 8 sodas, right? I just need $6 more. $6 more. $2 more. Maybe there's some in the room, right? I like money award. Jesus Christ. Alright, time to shoot him now. Gun pickup. Just skip to past like a minute or so. Yoy. Quarter of the way in. Yeah! Give me the halfway, please. Oh my gosh, we're so close to halfway. Yeah! This game is the weirdest game I've ever seen in my whole life. But also an amazing game. 32 minutes. Oh Lord, God. This is terrible. Just imagine the recording is all messed up. I would kill this. I would quit YouTube. I'm joking. But I would be really You've got to be kidding me. Worst game ever. I only wasted my... So at least we know that there's $1,000 in the game. First though, what if I just pour a single Bloxy Cola down there? Into the manhole, whatever you wish to call it. What will it do? I think just 9 more. First, let's count how many there are. See if the vending machine is out. Actually, can I get this? So, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I told you there's only 8, right? 21 seconds till he's on break. Turn it up. I swear you gotta get this. So there's only 8, right? But there has to be 10 of that. Would it be in the game? So I know where 8 are at least, but I don't want to spend my money unless I actually know that there is 10 sodas in the game. Is it actually bursting up? Oh Lord, it's actually bursting up the house, the sink. Turn on the TV. I'm facing down straight. And what about this bag of chips? Place item. I've officially put down chips. What will it do to my chips? Oh, nice. This world is weak. You're the one bringing it down. I don't blame you. It's a game after all. Where was I at? It's a game after all. You play the game. That's what you do. I'm not staying to leave altogether. There's something else you could do 3 out of 5. Oh, Lord! Chips on fire. Nice. I love hot and crispy chips. Can't even use it anymore. Lame. Oh, I'm so sorry. So. Oh, Lord! Sounds like a school alarm. Ah! Jesus! Loud is it? I got it. No! I think we'll just end it there. Maybe in a different video. Actually, comment if you guys want me to try to see if I can find the other sodas. The 2 more sodas. See if I can find them. So yeah, just comment if you want a part 2. And this made me very mad. M of the A of the D's. Frick this. Goodbye. It was fun though.